If you're looking for a way to expand the cargo capacity of your vehicle, the best roof rails, crossbars, and roof racks should be high on your list. You can put any odd-shaped cargo that won't fit inside or that's dirty, and you don't want inside up and out of the way, and still have all your interior room. You can use them to attach a secure, weatherproof cargo carrier, see below, or a rooftop attachment for kayaks, surfboards, snowboards, skis, fishing rods, bicycles, or just about anything else you can think of. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best roof rails and roof racks from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yakima Jetstream Aerodynamic Crossbars. When we were choosing a set of crossbars for our personal vehicle, we spent our own money on the Yakima Jetstreams. The company's more than 40-year reputation, limited lifetime warranty, and high-quality, innovative products tipped the decision over their main competitor, THUL. We've now been using the Jetstream roof rack on a MAZDA5 for more than 5 years, and they still look like new. As this minivan didn't come with factory rails, we did have to buy a set of skyline towers to fit into the bar ends, and 4 landing pads to mount permanently to the factory roof attachment points. At almost $450, it wasn't a cheap investment, but since then we've used them extensively and particularly appreciate how easily and securely they latch and unlatch from the roof. One person can put them on, or take them off in about the time it takes to walk around the car. Number 2. THUL Aeroblade Edge Raise Rail Roof Rack System. Coming in as a direct competitor to the Editor's Choice Yakima is THUL's Aeroblade roof rack, designed to produce lower noise at highway speeds, while still offering maximum capacity. Unlike with the Yakima, the THUL roof rack comes with the foot pre-assembled, taking one step out of the installation process. That does raise the price to more for a complete set than Yakima, which is why it comes in second. But THUL also has an enormous number of accessories, from cargo basket to fishing rod holders, all the way up to rooftop tents. Constructed from lightweight materials, these THUL crossbars can accommodate up to 165 pounds, making it similar to the maximum carrying capacity of most roof racks in the market. That means it's also a sturdy option for heavy equipment. Number 3. Stay There Roof Rack Crossbars. If your car has raised roof bars, meaning there's open space between them and the roof, then you can add a set of universal aluminum crossbars from Stay There. These 543 white aero bars have a C-shaped rubber-lined foot that clamps onto either factory or aftermarket rails. Unlike most other bargain bars, and even some premium ones, the Stay There bars include a lock and keys, too. Their description says they hold 200 pounds, but the instructions say 150, which is what most owners' manuals will say is the maximum. The feet are adjustable from 34.5 to 49.5 inches to fit a range of roofs, and the bars only weigh 8.25 pounds, which makes it easy for one person to get them on and off. Number 4. Amazon Basics Universal Crossrail Roof Rack. If you just need roof rack crossbars to clamp onto your existing roof rails, you can't get much simpler or more basic than Amazon's in-house brand. At literally 1/10 the price of a premium Yakima or THUL crossbar, Amazon's pair is a bit of a D affair, requiring you to assemble just about everything, but that's part of keeping the cost down. The 52-inch set is ultra-light aluminum, at 6.6 pounds, one of the lightest available, but still rated for a standard 165-pound load. They even come with locking clamps to prevent theft, although we've seen Starbucks orders that cost more. You'll make some compromise in ease of assembly, installation, and removal, and there's only a 1-year warranty, but if you need a set of roof rack crossbars for occasional use, it's hard to go wrong. Number 5. SportRack Complete Roof Rack System. For the most part, square-mounted roof racks aren't as common these days. They have reduced aerodynamics, which means they're not highly desired among vehicle owners who look to maximize their fuel economy. They still have their advantages, however, especially when it comes to carrying specialized sports gear. If you're looking for a roof rack with a flat surface, the SportRack Complete Roof Rack System is one of the better options. As a complete system, you don't necessarily need to have pre-installed roof rails to mount it. Taking advantage of the flat design of the square bar, this 130-pound capacity system is fully adaptable. It works with a variety of racks and holders, including box-style designs to specialized bike racks, ski and snowboard racks, or even kayak racks. And although it is affordable, it comes with some modern features such as a no-tool installation process, the ability to lock it to the roof of your car, as well as compatibility with most modern cars. Since it doesn't require roof rails to install, this rack can be mounted directly on the position marks above the door. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.